you can make thousands of dollars by knowing how to use the wallet. Okay. In this video, I'll be teaching you and showing you how to use Phantom Wallet to make money, and how to navigate your way around Phantom Wallet. If you are new to this channel, like and subscribe to this channel. If you are not new to this channel, like and comment, and let's get started. We'll be looking at three major things that you need to know in order to start making money using the Phantom Wallet. One is downloading and installing Phantom Wallet. Okay, so I'll show you a step-by-step guide to do that. Okay, and the second one is getting to understand the features and functions of on Phantom, and the last one is how you can buy coin project, okay, using the Phantom Wallet. Are you excited? Let's get there. Okay, so the first, you can download and install Phantom Wallet by simply typing on, just type, go to your desktop. For those that are using the desktop, the PC, okay, just go to the PC and type download. Go to your browser and type download and install, okay, Phantom Wallet. Yeah, so it will bring up download Phantom Wallet. So click on it. So we'll come back to this. This is for those using PC, using laptop. And why for those that are using the smartphone, so go to your Play Store and or App Store, depending on whether you are using iOS or Android. Okay, so go to your Play Store and type Phantom Wallet. So we'll have this. Okay, so this is Phantom Wallet, and just follow through. Click on install and follow through and install. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be focusing on PC. So that means we'll be downloading the Phantom extension on our laptop. Okay, so I come to this page. I'm saying download for desktop. Okay, here are the browser that it supports, and we are currently using Brave. So I'll click on Brave browser. So I'll click on this place. It will show add to Brave. Okay, so it's showing remove from Brave because I already have it installed. Okay, and this is the interface. This is how it will look like after installing. To show your asset, it will show this home page. Okay, yeah, but I will quickly show you what it will look like once you install. It will come up in this way. You see Phantom, then you can I'll suggest that you pin it. Once you pin it, it will appear. Okay, look at it. When I pin it, it will disappear from there. When I pin it, it will appear on this top side. Okay, so these are the three steps that you need to take in order to download, download and install and create a new wallet. So the first is, now once you click once you have downloaded it and install it on your browser, it will show this page, create a new wallet. So it will show, to get started, create a new wallet or import one from a seed phrase. So this means for those who already have wallet Phantom account, okay, they will just need to import the one they already have. Why for those that do not have that want to create a new wallet, so they just need to click on create a new wallet. But for the purpose of this teaching, we'll click on create a new wallet. So it will give us, it will take us to the second step. The second step is set up your password. You need to set up your password, the password that is peculiar to you, and it must be an alphanumeric key, okay, like word and figures. Okay, once that is set up, you click on I agree to the terms of service. Then you move to the third step, which is write and save your secret recovery phrase. Now, something very important is that you need to know is that the secret recovery phrase is called secret. It's not expected to be seen or known by another person or a third party. Okay, so this means you are expected to write this on a physical device, either on a book or your notepad, and keep it in a safe place. Okay. Now there's a saying in Web3 that he who have the keys owns the coin or has the coin. So make sure your secret recovery phrase is only known by you and no other person knows the information. keep it safe. Then once you have done that and copy it and save it, to show you you are all done. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. So it will bring something like this. Let's look at the one already installed. The one I have. Look at the features. It will give us, okay, when you click on it to show you the features like the home page. This is what you find on Phantom Wallet. And we now look at, okay, how to navigate around all these features. What do they mean? What do they all these features on the down part and this feature on the up part and this, and also this, what do they mean? So we'll start from this. All right. So now there are three major functions here: add or connect wallet, this manage account, and this is settings. Okay, so I'll click here. So this will enable you to add a new wallet. So you can create multiple wallets on Phantom, and also you can add existing wallets to your Phantom account. Okay, so let's click on add. Okay, let's say, okay, create new wallet, connect hardware wallet, import secret recovery phrase, import private key, watch address. Okay, in this case, we'll create new wallet. So I'll click on create new wallet. So I can name it, I can choose to name it coin dollar. Okay, so I'll click create. So that means when I, yeah, so that means I have more than one. Okay, I have coin dollar and I have, okay, yeah. So but let's go back to the place we are coming from, so that is what that function is. So this is manage account. So under manage account, I have air and I have coin dollar. So I may decide to manage account means change certain things. Maybe you want to change the name. Okay, I can decide to change the name from air to pros. So I'll click on save. You see, now when I go back, I will see pros and coin dollar. So that is how to do that. Then the next one is setting. So the setting is actually a very cool tool, and it helps you to manage your preferences, and also it also give a security guide, okay, or tool to help you to help your account to stay secure or to be secure. Now, one of the so this manage account. Okay, but let's look at the function that I like so much is connected app. So the connected app, it shows all the app that you have interacted with. Okay, so what we need to do is to click on them, click on that, then you see different applications that you have interacted with. Okay, you see all of them. Yeah, but so now the best. So what you need to do is to click on any of them and disconnect. When you disconnect it, it means this the app won't have access to your account. Okay, won't have access to your wallet. It is a security practice that you should do on regular basis. So click on disconnect and I've disconnected that. Apply it to other applications you will interact with. Okay, so that has been explained. So the second set of features is the receive, buy, and send features. So receive, it means you are receiving coin from somebody. Let's say you are receiving Solana from somebody. We click on so and we copy our address and send to the person. Okay, we'll send to the person. Let's say we are sending okay, so this is how the address will look like. You send to the person, you write so, you write network. Okay, so once you send to the person will send you, okay, the soul that is meant to send to you. All right, so the buy is when you want to buy, maybe you want to buy soul, and then you want to buy $500 worth of soul, and you want to buy it through fiat, okay, card or bank transfer. Now, but I will advise you, it depends on the country you are, but always use P2P to get the fund, to get your USDT or to get your soul, then send it to your wallet. It's always safer. Okay, this soul or this fund that I have here, I got it through a P2P platform. You can use the exchanges that support P2P, and you'll be able to buy coins and send to this place. Then the send, this is where this is the feature that supports like if you want to send coin to another person, Okay, so you use the send feature or the send function. So this is where you pay the recipient address. Let's say this is the person's address. I want to send one soul to the person. Okay, you want to send 0 point. Okay, you can see I'll click on next. I'll click on send. Okay, once I click on send, it will automatically send. All right. So that is how this is how it works. This what this feature means. And now you need to get used to it because you'll be using them frequently. Okay, so to explain to add this, to have coins or to have assets here, you need to go to your exchange. Okay, convert your USDT to SOL and send it to this place, and that will be all. So this feature Binet, this shows homepage. It shows when you click on dollar sign, it will show you all the coins that you have. So it will show you all the coins that you have. So you can see you have SOL, you have Blaze, and others. Okay. Then the next one is the NFT market. Is the NFT your collection? So the number of the NFT that you have minted all will show to appear here. All these are the NFT that was dropped to me, that was dropped to this wallet I have. Okay, lots of them. Then so the next is swap. Okay, say you want to swap SOL. Let's say you want to swap 0.001 SOL. You want to swap it to USDT. Let's see. Okay, you want to swap it. You can see it will click when we click on review order. So it will show you that you want to send this number of SOL to this to USDT, and you click on swap. Automatically it will swap. So it show you all the information that you need to know. Okay, that is how to use the swap functionality. So the next is history. This shows history of the transaction that you have been doing on this platform. You can see today I have this airdrop dropped to my account, and I made this transaction too. And the next is very, very important. This is where this is the browser, this is Phantom browser. With this browser, you have access to the app, decentralized applications or smart contracts. So whenever a project is launched or whenever the app, decentralized app is built on Solana ecosystem, you come to this search or this browser feature and you search it there. Okay, so then you search for the name of the app or you will type the address. Let's say Camino. Okay, Camino is one of the on Phantom on Solana ecosystem. So I just searched it and I was able to get on Camino. So this is Camino. Okay, so let's go. The next thing we look at here, we look at how can we make money using the Phantom wallet. How can we use money using the Phantom wallet? Okay, that is the next big thing to do. So to do that, we use a decentralized exchange platform called Jupyter. We'll be using Jupyter, and this is the secret. Most times there are many tokens that are launched on the Solana ecosystem that are not listed on exchanges. They are not on Binance. They are not on OKX. They are not on Bybit. So you can only get it. You can only buy those tokens on decentralized exchange. Okay. For example, let's look at it's a token called Crown. Okay. So let's see Crown. Okay. That it's a horse sport or horse game. So this is Crown. So on this Crown, let's say let's assume we want to buy Crown and it is not on exchanges. Okay, it's not on exchanges that I know. Yeah, but the best way to buy it is to buy it on Phantom. Go to Phantom. So this is the contract address. You click on the contract address. Okay, then go to Jupyter. The Jupyter that we opened just now. Go to Jupyter. Then connect your wallet. I have connected my wallet. So the next thing is we are swapping. Okay, we are swapping from Sol to okay. Then you click on that. Then you paste okay the contract address that was copied from CoinMarketCap. Then you click on Crown. That is it. So we are swapping this. Okay, I'm swapping half of my Sol to Crown. Let's do it and see how it works. Okay, so it's showing that I should confirm. Yeah, I'm confirming the transaction. Okay, let's see to show success. Okay, okay, it has not gone. Let's do it again. Okay, so let me confirm again and see what will happen here. Good. So I've been able to convert. Okay, you can see when I go to my to my wallet, I'll see on the crown that I just swapped. Look at the crown I just swapped. Okay, so now, so that is how to buy a token. Once we have a new token that is launched and you know that the token has potential for gold cam, get the contact address, come to Phantom, go to Jupyter and swap. Okay, now what if we are in profit and want to swap back? What we'll do is to do the opposite. You click on, now in this case you are swapping from the coin that you bought to SOL. So click on max. Okay, click on swap. So it will bring up information about the swapping. Okay, it's not going. Let's until let's show. Let's do it again. That's, I have to sign in the wallet. Yeah, it will go now. Click on confirm. Yeah, so I have swapped. So look at it. I have my SOL. Okay, let's look at it if I have my SOL Solana back. Good. I have my Solana back. So guys, so this is how to make money on Solana and how to use the Phantom wallet. Okay, if you find this video interesting and helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel. And there's a video on this channel that will show you how to make passive income in crypto. Watch it. Also, you can join the Coinula community, follow us on Twitter, and join our community on WhatsApp and Telegram. So by checking the description section, you see the link to join the community.